Stay tuned, I'm gonna finish this all up today, hopefully.
Goes a little harder there.
Alright, I'm making a ladder for that little bunk bed here. I'm gonna start shooting some trim on here and see what else we come up with today. I ripped this thing down with a skill saw, which isn't recommended, but it is straight as a piece of board. And I'm gonna fit it right in here. Alright, now this other side here, got the board to put on there. Done deal. Ready for some paint. Alright. Put some trim around the door here. Alright, got the two uprights here. I'm gonna shoot them on there. I'm gonna set them up beside each other here first and decide which two sides look about the same, if that's possible with just pine boards. I guess I'm gonna shoot it on the door jamb first this time. Whoop, totally missed it. Shoot it on the jamb there. There. So somewhere around the 33 1/4. Good enough. Now that's pretty much done. Yeah, the door still closes. That's a good sign. Alright, just a couple little tiny little strips here. 8 7/8. I got some of them sitting right here. Alright, that is it for here. This one door is missing a little piece of trim here, right there. So I'm gonna cut one more of those little strips to put on there, I guess. Just put my square on there and mark the 45 on there. Fuzzy for some reason. Close enough, I'd say. Alright, so now I'm gonna make a ladder for that little bunk bed there. Every foot. Right there. Right there. There. Alright. Get sandpaper. Just clean them up a little bit. That should work. Alright, there's my little ladder. I guess we'll go see if it fits. I think we'll put it somewhere right there. That should work good to hold the ladder. No, it shouldn't go anywhere. If I can crawl up there, my little girls can too, so that should work. Alright, we are headed over to do some painting here. The wife is at a women's meeting, so I got two of the kids and a dog with me here. Whoop. And the kids want to go skating if we get the first coat on, so we'll see. I have my skates over there. I haven't had my hockey skates on all winter yet, but the pond is decent right now. After the thaw and freeze, it kind of glossed over again, so we'll see. Maybe that's what we'll be doing. I'm going to be babysitting and painting and finishing everything up over there. Stay tuned. Alright, I'm going to stain all this here wood on here, and then on the other side stain all the trim pieces, and then we're going to paint the wall here. There's some extra paint here from when they did the kitchen, so we're going to see, we're going to make this wall the same as that kitchen and see how we like it, just because there's plenty of paint here. Alright, let's see what happens. Alright, got some of that painted. So I'm working on the inside here, getting all the edges done. So, but kids want to go skate a little bit. I haven't had my skates on this year yet, so I guess we'll go put them on and see if we can pull them in the sled or something. So we will see you out on the ice.
Goes a little harder there. Alright, I didn't realize it was this warm out here, but I think it'll still somewhat skate. It's actually not the best ice, but we'll get a little bit of fun out of it here. Alright, well, I'm just gonna look if my skates even hold here. Look if these things hold down. Yeah, it is soft. Maybe if we stay out on the other side here. Alright. Yeah, it's almost too soft. Yeah. Scoot forward a little bit. Or, yeah, that'll work. Alright, yeah, the ice is just too soft, so we'll have to wait till a colder day or something. So. Well guys, as you can see, I am finishing up this project here in the house. This is the little corner, mudroom corner I had framed in and everything. And then I went out and did that survival challenge and really messed up my finger that I couldn't do much. I'm swinging the hammer and it's working, but it's pretty sore still. But anyway, I'm using big fat nails that I painted black for coat hooks, and I'll do another row up here probably. The other thing is the master bedroom is gonna get a bed frame made that is up higher a little bit, eliminate the box frame so we have more storage underneath there. Stay tuned, I'm gonna finish this all up today hopefully, and get this video out to you guys in case anyone wants to see it. we'll just fasten our regular headboard right to the frame that I made here. Alright, I'm just going to show you all the finished products here. So there's that little corner. And then come on around here, and then here's the inside. There's all the hooks and the shelf and everything, and then where the boots and stuff will go. Boys' room here. We already moved some stuff over, but that's what that looks like. All kinds of storage. Little baskets for his clothes underneath there. And then you pick this up and there is all kinds of goodies underneath there already. So that was the idea of that. Just throw the mattress back on top of there and we're good to go. And here's the little doorway I made over into the girls' room. Little bathroom. Here we got the bunk bed. All done. Again, this one also, it actually goes clean underneath. You know, the wall never stops. It's just right underneath the other bed back in there. So all kinds of room in there too. I'm happy, and I think we're ready to move in 2 days. So stay tuned for, I guess, outside stuff. Thanks for watching, and God bless. We'll see you on the next one.